Hi everyone, welcome back to the WebToTech YouTube channel. Today for this video of WebToTech, I will be showing you how to change username in Snapchat. So for that, open the Snapchat application at first. Once you have been logged in into the Snapchat and are in home page, that is the profile page, you need to tap on the setting icon on the top right corner. From there, you need to tap open the username. Tap username. The one thing about Snapchat is you can only change your username once a year. So I am not being able to change this username as I have recently changed the username to a different one. So for a 1 year period, I won't be able to upload or change a new one. Basically, the process is same. All you have to do is go to the username section over here, and there on the username text box, you need to replace the previous username and type in the new one. Just make sure that you type in the correct username, as just as I have said to you, you will not be replace it or change it for the next year. So this is how the overall idea of changing the Snapchat username work. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the WebToTech YouTube channel. Thank you.